Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence AI that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. This means that machine learning algorithm can learn from data and improve their performance over time without being given specific instructions. For example, a machine learning about algorithm could be trained to identify cats in images, but being given a data set of images that are labeled as either cat or not cat. Once the algorithm is trained, it can be used to identify a cat is new image that it has never seen before. Machine learning algorithms are used in a wide variety of applications. Image recognition. Machine learning algorithms are used to identify objects and faces in images. This technology is used in applications such as self driving cars, facial recognition software, and photo sorting apps. Natural language processing. Machine learning algorithms are used to understand and process human language. This technology is used in applications such as machine translation, chatbot, and voice assistant. Recommendation systems. Machine learning algorithms are used to recommend products, movies, and other content to users based on their past behavior. This technology is used by companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Spotify. Fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms are used to detect fraudulent transactions and other types of financial crime. Medical diagnosis. Machine learning algorithms are being used to develop new tools to help doctors diagnose disease and recommend treatments. Finance. Financial institutions use machine learning for fraud detections, credit scoring, algorithmic trading, and predicting market trends. Autonomous vehicles. Machine learning algorithms play a crucial role. Autonomous vehicles for tasks like objects recognition, navigations, and decision making, manufacturing, and predictive maintenance. Machine learning is used to optimize manufacturing process, monitor equipment health, and predict when machinery might require maintenance. Customer relationship management CRM. Businesses use machine learning to analyze customer data, predict customer behavior, and enhance customer experiences. Cybersecurity. Machine learning helps in identifying and preventing security threats by analyzing patterns of malicious activities and anomalies in network traffic. Education. Machine learning is applied in adaptive learning platforms, automated grading systems, and educational analytics to tailor learning experiences for students. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.